Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are gonna learn how to change emotes in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So you just need to click on the player here.
Let's go!
And then one more time. Now when you click on this icon here, it will show you the emotes. So emotes are basically the emotions that you want to show. So this one's like happy, this one's sad, this one's annoyed or angry. So that's how you can change your emotes basically, but you need to have some gems for that. So that's how you can change your emotes. Just like this one. Okay, so that's how you can change your emotes. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.